In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log someone out of your Google account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up any browser and then go to myaccount.google.com. Then log into your account right here, and once you've done with that, drag this menu until you find security, and on the security scroll down until you find your devices. Then just hit at manage all devices, and what that will do, that will show you all of the devices that are currently signed into your account. You can scroll down to get the list of that devices, and if you find someone's device and you know that it's not your device, you can just tap on it and then hit at sign out. That will immediately sign out your account from that particular device, and in the same way you can go out of here and check your devices list again, and then one by one you can sign out from all the devices that is not yours. And once you've done with that, I recommend you to change your Google password. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.